Hey guys, Lawton here with Verified Investing here for another Blofin video. So let's just hop in. Last time I showed you how to make a trade on Blofin, but let's go a little bit deeper. I want to look at all the different pairings that Blofin has. So all the things you're able to trade. Jelly, Plume, Vine, Melania, Trump, Coin, tons and tons of different things. You're able to sort by hot coins, by meme coins, like Penguin. And something I really like that I didn't talk about last time is copy trading. So what copy trading is you can find somebody you like. Let's say I like this guy called Poppy Churro. I click on that and I'm able to copy his trade. So whenever he takes a trade, I will automatically take it with him. I can see his profit and loss, his return on investment, and his current success rate. Of course, he's going to take a cut of the winnings, but if his win rate is high and his profits are good, I have nothing to worry about. Thank you again to Blofin for sponsoring us, and we'll see you next time.